Richard Southern joins us now with a look at the day's top business stories. And Richard, driving in the GTA is about to get even more expensive.
As if it wasn't expensive enough already, Eric. I hate to say it, but the price of gas, it's going to reach a record high at midnight tonight here in the GTA. We're going up 5 pennies at midnight, and that'll bring the average to $1.95.9. And it doesn't stop there. Our experts over at Enpro International, they're forecasting an additional 2 cents higher on Saturday morning, bringing the price on the weekend to $1.97.9. It's certainly possible that we see a $2 a liter price here in the next not too distant future, perhaps by the May 2-4 long weekend, certainly. The price of oil has been climbing steadily this week, and it was up again today, above $108. So that's a factor. But our gas experts say largely the reason for this uptick has been the gas companies taking a larger profit margin at the pumps. Unfortunately, this high price could well stick around, what with the European Union set to ban the purchase of Russian oil later this year. Eric, it's a good day for a fill-up here, I suppose, with
Certainly.
prices going up and up and up. Quite something.
Wow. Okay, you might want to check your investment portfolio. Richard, the markets were in an absolute free fall today.
Yeah, or don't think, Eric, is ignorance bliss maybe sometimes?
Maybe, yeah.
Just avert your eyes, because it was not a pretty sight today, Erica, with stocks falling the most they have in 2 years. Not since the early days of the pandemic have we seen this. When they rang the closing bell on Wall Street, the Dow was down just over 1,000 points. The NASDAQ was down 5%. And at the corner of King and Bay, the TSX down 488 points. The selling came largely as investors grew concerned again about rising interest rates. Just last night, the U.S. Central Bank hiked American interest rates to try and tackle inflation. It's very likely the Bank of Canada hikes Canadian interest rates dramatically again on June 1st. E-commerce stocks took a bath, Erica. Shopify down 15% today. Uber was down 18%. Amazon down 8%. Bitcoin was down 9%. What was up, you ask? Sleep Country Canada up 8.5%. The mattress company posted better than expected earnings. We always need a place to sleep, I guess, Erica.
Yeah, but maybe people not sleeping so well with that news. I don't know.
This won't have you sleeping very soundly, no. I'm afraid. But hopefully we'll have a better day tomorrow.
Okay, and finally, after receiving hundreds of thousands of complaints, one airline is changing how it pays its flight attendants, Richard.
Did you know this? Flight attendants are only paid when the door of the aircraft is closed, Erica.
Wow. I didn't know that.
Doesn't seem right.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem right. Delta Airlines, though, changing that. Delta is going to start paying its flight attendants for boarding. So before that boarding door closes, and it's going to add about $1,000 a year, they say, to the average flight attendant salary there. It only comes, though, after more than 170,000 people signed an online petition. The change also comes as Delta plans to take a little bit longer to board some of its growing number of single-aisle aircraft. So some good news there out of the skies.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. They're working before the doors close, so why not pay them for the work that they're doing? Okay, thanks, Richard.
100%.
That's business editor Richard Southern.